Thank you for your interest in completing the intention form for your child in Creation Station Preschool for 2019-20. This is a video to show you how to register for 3-school, preschool, 1 to Grow On, and Spanish Immersion Preschool. If you are interested in registering for kindergarten or first grade Spanish Immersion, you're going to need to click on the Spanish Immersion link on the Pella Christian Grade School website. Please submit separate forms if you are registering more than one of your children. For example, if you're completing an intention form for one child in 3-school and one child in 1 to Grow On, please submit an intention form for your 3-year-old first, then begin the simple process for your child going into 1 to Grow On. We will use the earliest timestamp for each family registering multiple children on all of their children. Each year, we receive feedback regarding the intention form process, and concern has been expressed over advantages that form fillers offer parents who have a deeper knowledge of technology tools. Due to this concern, we will be changing the order of the questions, the format of the questions, and the wording of the questions to prevent the use of form fillers. Today's video is simply to demonstrate how the process will look when the intention form does go live on Tuesday, March 5, but please know that the form itself will be different. I also want to point out that this will go live at Tuesday, March 5, 2019 at 9 p.m. The Spanish Immersion Kindergarten and First Grade Intention Form goes live 2 days later on March 7, 2019 at 9 p.m. So on March 5th, 2019 at 9 p.m., you're going to follow these steps to register your child for preschool. The first step is to go to the Pella Christian Grade School website at www.pellachristian.net. Next, click on the preschool link on the top ribbon of our home page. You will then click on the preschool intention form link. This link The preschool intention form link will become active on March 5, 2019 at 9 p.m. after you have refreshed the page. If you click this link any time before 9 p.m., this is the screen you're going to see. Here comes the tricky part. Right at 9 p.m., you will need to refresh the page. You simply cannot watch the link and expect anything to become active. 2 easy ways to refresh the page are to click on the refresh button or to highlight the URL and click the enter or the return key. Once the link becomes active, you will be able to click on the link that takes you to the preschool intention form. Here is the refresh button, or you can hit enter, click on the URL, and hit the enter or return key. You can see that the form changes. You can click here to complete a preschool intention form. As you can see, this simple form requires only basic information. I want to repeat that due to concerns over unfair advantages of use of form fillers in the past, we are going to be changing what the intention form looks like. The purpose of this video is to show you how the process works. I'm now going to fill in the required information and press submit. As soon as you press the submit button, your registration will be time-stamped to the nearest 1/100th of a second. Later on, I'm going to show you the screen that shows all of the timestamps. After I push submit, you will see that a confirmation screen comes up stating that you have successfully submitted your registration. I now want to show you the time-stamped page that will be used to determine the class list. You can see here the timestamp. If we ask that families only submit one registration form per student, and we will determine the class list by using only the first timestamp from each family. I repeat, if you have multiple children, we will use the first timestamp of the first submitted intention form. We promise that we will continue to improve our preschool intention form process each year, and we are interested and value your feedback. Please send an email to buyert@powellchristian.net if you would like to share your input on how we can improve the intention form process. Thank you for partnering with Creation Station to help your child develop spiritually, socially, physically, emotionally, and intellectually through curriculum that's rooted in God's Word.